pad and have an optimal flowing exhaust system, you get these bad boys. Introducing our new 5.7 Durango headers. To start off, we have a 3/8 stainless steel flange to our 1 7/8 mandrel bent 304 stainless steel tubing, down to our 4:1 3-inch merge collector with a merge spike, O2 bung, sick badge, and it's 100% TIG welded in the USA. On the lead here, we have a 4-inch high flow catalytic converter to 3-inch 304 stainless steel, also mandrel bent, for optimal flow. The connection will hook up to a Stainless Works Performance catback or your OEM catback. All our products feature a lifetime warranty on craftsmanship and material, and I ended that like I had more to say. Made in America, baby.